All right.
The wind is picking up a little bit, so I'm doing this just so because it's easier and hopefully the quality will be better on YouTube if I send the link that way. But the wind's picking up, it's a little drizzly, it's more gusty, so here's everything so far with the house and stuff. I wanted to get all of the sides of the house if I could. I'll go around to the other side, show the back. But you can see the wind's kind of picked up. It's been drizzly, rainy. Worried about that pile there and the stuff across the street coming. But oh well. There's our cool bamboo pile. Because I'm moving, you can't see the awesome windness. That stuff as secured as you could get it. And here is a view of our backyard. Alrighty, that should do. I'm going to try to upload this and send it to you now.